Kevadia, home to the majestic Statue of Unity, offers an array of captivating attractions that highlight the blend of nature, history, and innovation. The Unity Glow Garden transforms into a vibrant display of light, showcasing the beauty of art and creativity. The Cactus Garden stands as a testament to resilience, displaying diverse species that thrive in harsh environments. The Arogya van emphasizes holistic health, blending yoga and Ayurveda with modern wellness practices. The Dino Trail reveals our ancient past with the discovery of the Rajasaurus narmadensis, a unique dinosaur species from the Cretaceous period. The Sardar Sarovar Dam showcases human ingenuity and collaborative effort in harnessing natural resources. The Butterfly Garden, a vibrant sanctuary, reflects the beauty of transformation and growth. Each of these attractions represents a facet of progress, resilience, and innovation, setting the perfect stage for our upcoming event.
Amidst these remarkable attractions lies a venue that embodies the spirit of innovation and resilience, the Fern Sardar Sarovar Resort. Here, in close proximity to these wonders, we gather for a special purpose. Join us on the 7th and 8th of February 2025 for GOACON 2025, the 43rd state-level conference of orthopedics, promoted by the Indian Orthopedic Association, an event of the Gujarat Orthopedic Association, which is hosted by the Baroda Orthopedic Association. This prestigious event will be attended by renowned national and international faculties and over 500 delegates. GOACON 2025 promises to navigate the latest developments in orthopedics, showcasing new skill techniques, technological advances, and providing a platform for young surgeons to connect with leading experts. It's the perfect opportunity for our trade partners to exhibit specialized products and cutting-edge technology to a wide audience. Set against the backdrop of the world's tallest statue, this conference promises to be a memorable experience. Hosted by the Baroda Orthopedic Association, GOACON 2025 is your chance to share knowledge, create connections, and chart new horizons for the future of orthopedics. Mark your calendars for the 7th and 8th of February 2025. Together, let's elevate the field of orthopedics.